Hey freebies, today we're going to practice 2 chords. Now as we're practicing these chords, I've got a couple of tips for us. Tip number 1, our goal is to get the gap between the chords, our pause, as small and short as possible until there is no more pause. Tip number 2, if you're having a hard time keeping up, that is totally fine. Just end your current chord early so that you can get your next chord ready and enter in on time. The more you practice, the shorter that gap will get. Tip number 3, use YouTube's playback speed technology to your advantage. I'm going to be offering a slow speed and a faster speed, but if you want to dial it in just right, if you need it a little slower or a little faster, just mess around with YouTube's playback speed until it feels just right. It's always best to play slower and learn it the right way and then speed it up. If we play too fast too soon, we're going to memorize the wrong things and it's going to be really hard to break those patterns. So let's begin. All right, 8 counts per chord going back and forth, starting with G, slow speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 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 If it helps, you can say the numbers out loud also. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we typically count in measures, which are only 4 beats each. So I'm going to count to 4 twice for each chord. Here's our 8 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So count however you would like to keep track of where you are at with your chords. All right, on to 4 beats per chord, slow tempo, starting with G. Here's our tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. All right, on to our medium speed. We're going to start with our 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel free to keep counting out loud if that helps you. All right, on to our 4 beats per chord at a medium speed. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, on to our song. We're gonna play La Bamba. It's gonna be 4 beats per chord, going back and forth between our easy G and our easy C. I apologize, but my voice is gonna be in the roof because this is not my preferred singing key, but that's okay. We're going to make it work. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's do it. Great job! If you want to learn the full versions of the G and C chords, as well as 2 songs that you can play with them, please hit subscribe and check out my next lesson video. I'll see you there.